National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Starr County in Deep South Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fronton, or near Roma, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Rio Grande City, Sullivan City, La Rosita, Garciasville, La Brea, Starr County Memorial Hospital, La Porta, Ringgold Middle School, La Victoria and Los Alvarez. This includes as Highway 83 between mile markers 812 and 836. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National